Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you on your real-time network speed setting in your Realme phone. Guys, you want to on guys your real-time network speed setting, so guys you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on real-time network speed in our Redmi or Realme phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So friends, now let's start the video. So friends, first of all, open your phone setting to on your real-time network speed. Then guys scroll. Then guys you can see your notification and status bar setting. So guys tap here your notification and status bar. Then guys scroll. Then guys you can see your real time network speed. So you want to on in your phone, so guys you can on from here, and guys you want to off, so guys you can off from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to on and off real time network speed. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. And guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic guys. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.